What a beautiful bridge. If you guys know Indiana very well, you probably know exactly where I'm at. We're gonna fish this bridge for about 20-30 minutes, see if we can get a bite off of here, move upstream, and then go until we really can't go any farther. We've got, I don't know, 6-7 hours today. We're very excited about it. The goal is to catch a couple smallmouth, a couple largemouth. There are walleye, there are pike, rock bass, bluegills, a few other fish in here, but the goal, I think, is just some smallie jaws and some largie jaws. But lots of boats in here, lots of waves today. Stick with us, stay tuned. Let's see if we can find some fish. Let's go. Okay, I'll take it. There we go, baby. We're gonna go ahead and get the net out from now on. There's our first one. Look at the front lip on that guy. Look how big that front lip is. That thing's crazy looking. Oh gosh, there he goes. One down, baby. Well, we got the first one in the boat there, which is pretty awesome. I don't know what happened to this GoPro, but I guess it wasn't on. Maybe I didn't turn it on, or maybe it aired or something. I don't know. GoPros are a little finicky, so it could have been either one of us. But one fish is down. I did get it on the back camera, I think. So hopefully that footage turns out good. But we're gonna keep trucking. One nice largemouth down. That thing was probably pushing 2 pounds. He had a really weird, like I don't even know, growth on the front of his lip, like between, like where his jaw comes together. It's kind of crazy looking. It was so big, it looked like a male salmon or something, but pretty neat. Back to fishing, smallmouth, largemouth. Got the large down. Let's go. Stick. Big old stick bass. I knew the second didn't move. And little large lip. Got another one finally. I think we've gone through 5 or 6 bites now to get this guy. This guy's definitely been caught before. He's got 2 lip piercings that are maybe 3. Pretty brutal. Get back in there and get bigger. Very next cast is rock bass, baby. You can come out on the river sometimes and absolutely demolish these things. I'm talking like 25, 30 in an hour. All depends on the time of the year and, you know, if they're wanting to cooperate or not, but rock bass are a fun fish. And if you get some nice size ones, they're not the worst table fare. Not the worst. And another little rocky. We'll be showing you a couple of these guys today, but there's no way we're going to show you all of them because I'm planning on catching about 50. Not ideal. I'd much rather catch some smallmouth, but it's part of the river slam. Largemouth, smallmouth, and rock. And I'm guessing rocky. Yep, another rock bass. Hey, could you guys leave my worm alone so I can catch some other fish, please? Everywhere you look, there's rock bass. It's gonna be one of them days. That's a good fish. What is it? Ooh, nice smallie. Nice smallie. There we go, baby. So easy to tell the difference between smallmouth and largemouth because smallies pull extremely hard. It may not be the biggest fish in the river, but we'll take him. Solid little smallie there. Pretty cool fish. Beautiful. And back in he goes. First smallie. Nice. Back to fishing. That was an awesome smallmouth. Retied, new worm, whole shebang. We're back up in business, boys. Gotta be a rock bass. Yep. Saw the worm disappear. Didn't feel a lot of tension. Nothing else but a rocky. Just switch sides. We're gonna fish off the other side of the boat for a little bit. See if we can find some over here. I've got a good feeling. The other side was like a lot of these weird bush weeds and didn't seem to have much fish in them. Another one. Last time I came out here, I only managed a few rock bass, but the time before that I caught like 30, and I think we're on track for another 30 today. That's a bigger fish. Definitely a smallmouth. Okay, come on, baby. Another incredible smallie jaw there, baby. These suckers are so fun. Check out that beautiful fish. Such a stud. Love me some smallies. Cool, back in he goes. Another awesome smallmouth down. I'm not really finding a pattern, unfortunately. They kind of just seem to be in random spots. Some are on seawalls, some are in some rocks, some are under some branches. We're catching some fish though, which is pretty neat. Keep trucking along. Like I said, the Wacky Rig Senko. We did throw a little square bill for a little bit, no luck there. So back to the Wacky Rig. Hopefully we can find some more. Let's go. There's a better one. Is it a smallmouth? Not sure yet. Nope. Just a rocky pulling really hard. Little guy too. Caught bigger ones that pull harder than this thing. That's crazy. Or bigger ones that don't pull as hard. Another rock. The river is reading 81, which is crazy because 2 weeks ago it was like 67. That just tells you how hot it's been in the past week or week and a half. Got to be another smallmouth. Yeah, he's wanting to jump so bad. Oh, you've got to be shitting me. Well, we just lost our best bite of the day, which really stinks. That was probably about a 2-pound smallmouth. Little Wacky Rig hooks can be deadly, but they're also, you know, a risk you take by downsizing your hook. All right, boys, we're gonna make a move because Jimmy down there in the orange shirt decided to cut across the river and then cut me off and go the same damn direction as me. What's wrong with people? 100 yards in front of me. I don't own the river by any means, so he can fish where the hell he wants, but a little courtesy would have been nice, you know, whatever. Go down, you know, a few hundred more yards, so like you're not even visible, like he just looks at you, goes in front of you. Oh well, so we're gonna jump around him and then probably go like half a mile downriver and try something completely different, because otherwise I'd probably just cut him off again. So here we go. Upriver. Hopefully we're away from some more boats. Back to fishing. Nice little smallie. Heck yeah. Not even close to as big as that last one we lost, but we're making it happen. This is actually the best I've done on this river in terms of smallmouth. Nice fish there. Another good little smallie jaw. Fun. And back in he goes. Beautiful. Awesome. Rocky. Another good one. That's a better rock bass for sure. Started reeling, didn't feel nothing. He'd already grabbed it. That's actually one of the better ones. Still not huge by any means, but you could definitely get a couple fillets off that guy. Get in there, yes, yes, yes. There you have it. Super, super dark smallie jaw right there. Fun one to catch, but wow, powerful, and we're in a lot of current, so we're gonna get ripping out of here quickly. Largemouth seem to love that slow moving or just stagnant water. Smallies, they love the moving current. They might not be in the current, they might be hiding behind a boulder or something, but they're in that fast moving water a lot of the times. "82 degrees up here. That is hot, very hot. Big one. Come on, stay on for me. Biggest smallie of the day by far. Come on, stay on for me. Yes. Yes, sir. Just letting that bait just float on the bottom. Nice little smallie there. Nice. Monster? No, but it's definitely 14 or so. Cool. Well, that fish was quite a blessing. I was fully planning on changing my batteries, so what I did was I threw my line in and just let it float down the current. Heard that speedboat going by with a skier, and I just let it sit there, and then I started fishing again to make sure I was out of the way and everything, because I didn't want that line drifting in front of him, and I didn't want to drift in front of him either. Sure enough, come up and nailed it. Let's check. I'm gonna guess 14. Almost 15. Almost 15 inches. Beautiful, beautiful smallmouth bass there. That's what I really, really enjoy seeing. Okay, he's ready to go. Cool, nice fish. Well, guys, we have had an incredible run. We just landed that awesome smallmouth there, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go upstream. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, guys. We're gonna go see what else we can find, but we're gonna end the video there. So hope you guys enjoyed this little river fishing adventure. I may get out the fly rod for a little bit in practice, but probably do that off camera. So hope you guys enjoyed. We'll catch you on the next fishing mission. Peace, y'all.